Hello everyone, I am your teacher for this question. Let me explain this question to you now. The question says that solve by matrix inversion 2x plus y plus z equals to 1, x minus y plus 2z equals to minus 1, 3x plus 2y minus z equals to 4. क्वेश्चन में एक मैट्रिक्स दी गई है जिसको हमको मेथड ऑफ इन्वर्सन से सॉल्व करना है। मैट्रिक्स के इन्वर्सन मेथड से सॉल्व करके एक्स वाई जेड की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड करनी है। तो सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं कि गिवन क्या है। इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन 2x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड इक्वल्स टू 1, x माइनस वाई plus 2z equals to minus 1 and 3x plus 2y minus z equals to 4. So ये तीन इक्वेशन दिए गए हैं. What we have to find? We have to find values of x, y, z by method of inversion. By method of inversion. So first write the matrix in the form of ax equals to b. So A is matrix made by cofactors, matrix made by coefficients. We have to find it by cofactors. X is variables and b are constants. So A matrix made by coefficients, X is variable and B is constant. So now the matrix will become like 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, minus 1 and 2, 3, 2, minus 1. Variables are X, Y, Z and constants are 1, minus 1 and 4. Now solve it by method of inversion. So calculate the cofactors for cofactors. Cofactors का formula Cij equals to minus 1 power I plus j mij, जहां पे m ij equals to minus. So कैलकुलेट करते हैं C11 equals to minus 1 power 1 plus 1 m11. So minus 1 square m11, the value of m11 will be minus 1, 2, 2, minus 1. Minus 1 square is positive. It will give 1 minus 4 minus 3. Next C12 minus 1 power 1 plus 2 m12 minus 1 3 and write it minus 1 m12. It means 1 3 and 2 1. 1 3 2 minus 1. 1 3 2 minus 1. It will give -1, -6. So -1, -6, -7, minus into minus +7. Next, C 1 3. -1 power 1 plus 3 m 1 3 -1 power 4 equals to, so m 1 3, 1 3 minus 1 and 2, 1 3 minus 1 and 2, it will give positive 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Next, C 2 1 minus 1, 2 plus 1 m 2 1 minus 1 power 3 m 2 1. Second row, first column, so it will give 1 2 1 minus 1, 1 2 1 2 and 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. So minus 1 power q will be -1, and it will give -1 and -2. So -1 -2 -3 and negative +3. So C21. C22 will give -1 2 plus 2 m22 -1 power 4 m22. ये +1. Second row, second column, delete it. So it will give 2 3 1 minus 1, 2 3 1 and -1, 2 3 1 -1, and by solving we will get -2 -3 और ये -5. Now C 2 3 -1 power 2 plus 3 m 2 3 -1 power 5 m 2 3. Now value of 2 3. Second row, third column, delete. We'll find 1 2 3 1 2, 2 3 1 2. So 2 3 1 2, -1 4 minus 3, 1 and -1, -1. C31. C31 will be -1 power 3 plus 1 m31 -1 power 4 m31. Third row, first column. So third row, first column, 1 minus 1 1 2, 1. You can see 1 minus 1 1 2, 1 minus 1 1 2. इट विल गिव पॉजिटिव, और ये यहाँ से 2 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 3. सो 3 सी 32 विल बी -1 पावर 3 plus 2 m 32 -1 power 5 equals to, so let's talk about 3 2, 3 2, 2 1 1 minus 1, 2 1 1 2, 2 1 1 2, 2 1 1 2. It will give negative, and 4 minus 1 3, so -3. C 3 3 -1 3 plus 3 m 3 3 -1 power 6, and 3 3 will give 3 3 2 1 1 minus 1, 2 1 1 and -1, 2 1 1 minus 1, ये -2 -1 and ये -3. So matrix made by cofactors. Matrix made by cofactors. Matrix made by cofactors. C equals to C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32 and C33. सारी वैल्यूज जो आई हैं उनको यहाँ नोट कर लीजिए. C11 की वैल्यू क्या है आप हम देख सकते हैं -3, 7 एंड 5. सो -3, 7, 5. -3, 7, 5. C21, 22 and 23. 3 minus 5 minus 1. 3 minus 5 minus 1. 3 minus 5 minus 1. And the third row will give 3 minus 3 minus 3. So adjoint of A will be C transpose. It will be -3, 7, 5, 3, -5, -1, 3, -3, -3. A inverse equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Value of determinant हम लोगों ने शायद कैलकुलेट नहीं किया. Then we will calculate it. No problem regarding that. The value of determinant यहीं calculate कर लेते हैं. The value of determinant will be determinant of A equals to 2 and 1, 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 6 plus 1 and plus 1, 2 plus 3. So determinant of A will be 2 plus 3, 5, 5 minus 7, 5 plus 7, 12, and 1 minus 4 is minus 3, 2, minus 6. So 12 minus 6, determinant of A is 6. Now 1 upon 6 minus 3, 7, 5, 3, minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 3, minus 3. So x will be A inverse B. X will be A inverse into B. X means X, Y and Z. A inverse means 1 by 6 minus 3, 3, 3. This will 7 minus 5 minus 3 minus 5 minus 1 minus 3 and B. Constants are given as constants are 1 minus 1 and 4. 1 minus 1 and 4. Now multiply it. 1 by 6 minus 3 plus 12. 7 plus 5 minus 12 minus 5 plus 1 minus 12 minus 5 1 ja minus 5 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Let's see the question. 1, minus 1 and 4. So it will be 18 minus 18. So values will be 1 by 6. This will give 6, 0 and minus 18. So it will give x, y, z. The value of x is 1, the value of y is 0, and the value of z is minus 3. So this is the required answer of this question. I hope you have understood the explanation. Thank you.